I was born Publius alias Hadrianus in the year 76 CE. History would remember me by a single name, Hadrian. I inherited an empire that stretched from Britain to Egypt, from Spain to Syria. But unlike many emperors before me, I did not seek endless conquest. I sought something far more difficult, stability. I was raised under the guidance of my cousin and adoptive father, Emperor Trajan. In 117 CE, after his death, I became Emperor of Rome. The empire was larger than ever before, but expansion had come at a cost. Distant frontiers strained our resources. Armies were overextended. I made a choice that surprised many. I abandoned territories in Mesopotamia and Armenia that Rome could not easily defend. My mission was not to expand the empire, but to strengthen it. Unlike many emperors who ruled from Rome, I traveled. I inspected troops on distant frontiers. I visited provinces across the empire. Nearly half my reign was spent on the road. I believed an emperor must see his empire with his own eyes. In Greece, I found inspiration. I admired Greek philosophy, architecture, and culture so deeply that some called me a Philhellene, a lover of Greece. I believed monuments could outlive armies. Across the empire, I rebuilt cities, temples, roads, and aqueducts. One of my most enduring projects was the reconstruction of the Pantheon in Rome. Nearly 2,000 years later, its great dome still stands. In Athens, I funded grand construction projects and strengthened Rome's relationship with the Greek world. Architecture was more than stone, it was legacy. In 122 CE, I traveled to Britannia. There, at the empire's northern frontier, I ordered the construction of a wall unlike any Rome had built before. Stretching 73 miles across northern Britain, it marked the edge of Roman power. Some believe the wall existed only to keep enemies out, but it served many purposes. It regulated trade, controlled movement, demonstrated Rome's authority. Above all, it defined a border. I understood a truth many rulers ignored. An empire's strength is not measured only by how far it expands, but by how well it protects what it already possesses. I ruled Rome for 21 years, from 117 to 138 CE. When my time ended, I entrusted the empire to Antoninus Pius, ensuring a peaceful succession. History remembers conquerors, yet I chose a different path. I built, I traveled, I preserved, and I left behind monuments that continue to tell my story. I am Hadrian, Emperor of Rome. If you enjoyed this journey through history, subscribe to the Archaeological YouTube channel and join us as we explore the lives of the rulers, warriors, and visionaries who shaped our world. The past is never truly gone. It lives on through the stories we remember.